Hi, I am Raju Ahmed, a full-stack web developer specialized in Shopify, WordPress, and custom website development. I help business build modern, fast, and responsive websites that look professional, deliver an excellent user experience, and support business growth. Whether you need a custom Shopify store, a WordPress business website, WooCommerce development, theme customization, bug fix, speed optimization, or a custom web application using PHP, Laravel, React.js, Next.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I can help. I focus on clean, scalable code, mobile-friendly design, SEO-ready website, and on-time delivery. If you are looking for a reliable web developer for your next project, feel free to send me a message. I would love to discuss your ideas and help bring your vision to life.